Subtract 4.923 from 6.12 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the thousandths column, 0 is less than 3, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the hundredths column. 2 becomes 1. The 0 in the thousandths column becomes 10. In the thousandths column, 10 minus 3 is 7. In the hundredths column, 1 is less than 2, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 1 becomes 0. The 1 in the hundredths column becomes 11. In the hundredths column, 11 minus 2 is 9. In the tenths column, 0 is less than 9, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the ones column. 6 becomes 5. The 0 in the tenths column becomes 10. In the tenths column, 10 minus 9 is 1. In the ones column, 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 1.197.